Double corner shower curtain rod installation instruction. Installation tools: drill, hammer, hacksaw, tape measure, level, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench. Lay the rod pieces on the floor. Assemble the rod with the connector. Measure the rod and space to verify that the rod sections are the proper length for your installation. If not, trim with a hacksaw. Slide T-shaped ring onto the rod. Insert the ends of rod into the wall flanges. Measure and mark the placement of flanges. Hold the rod up to the marked mounting height. Level the rod. If needed, adjust and re-mark the placement of flanges. Separate the brackets from drums by uninstalling the screws and bolts. Slide curtain rings onto the rod. Level the flanges. If needed, adjust and re-mark the placement of flanges. Mark the placement of the mounting holes. Drill the pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten the long screws with Phillips screwdriver. Put the rod up and insert the ends into the wall bracket. Install the screws and bolts to fix the rod. Hold the ceiling support in plants and mark distance between the ceiling and rod. Cut the ceiling support proper length with a hacksaw. Thread the ceiling flange to the ceiling support. Once the support is ready, insert the end to the loop. Tighten the set screw with Allen wrench. Hold the ceiling support in place and mark the placement of mounting holes. Drill pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws with Phillips screwdriver. Use the level to make sure the ceiling support is plumb and tighten the remaining set screw on the T-shape ring. Hang up the curtain. Installation complete. With the double corner rod securely in place, your bathroom feels more spacious and organized. Perfect for hanging essentials, it ensures your shower time is comfortable and stylish.